The social host trial of former Chariho school committee member Terri Serra continued today, with Serra herself taking the stand for the first time. It's a story Eyewitness News has been tracking since last October, when a group of underage teens crashed their car after allegedly leaving Serra's house following a drinking party. Eyewitness News reporter Nicole Estefan is live in our newsroom now with the latest from today's trial.
Mike, the judge in this case will not allow audio recording, but we broke down for you what we heard Terri Serra say on the stand today. At times fighting back tears, Terri Serra took to the stand to testify in her own trial Monday. She is charged with violating the state's social host law and leaving the scene of this serious Charlestown crash that injured 4 teenagers without calling 911. They were leaving a party at Serra's home at the time where teens were drinking. Serra testified after a very long, emotional day, exhausted after a contentious argument in a pending divorce. She allowed her daughter to have friends over. She said she told the teens several times there would be no drinking or drugs, something we know from testimony they ignored. Serra said she fell asleep, woke up just before 2 and noticed the teens were still in the yard. She said, quote, "I was angry. I said, get out. Everyone needs to leave." It was then, according to her testimony, she noticed a broken door in a camper in the backyard, went in and smelled beer. Shortly after, she was driving one of the teens home when she came upon this accident. Serra testified it was a very hectic and horrific scene. "I was exhausted," she said. She also said she got out of the car and said, oh my God, has anyone called 911? And that a neighbor responded yes. That same neighbor took to the stand on Monday and said she could not recall if Serra asked that question. Now, the defense in this case is actually questioning the constitutionality of the statute she's charged under. That's a process that's going to take a couple of months. Both sides will now need to submit briefs, so a decision will not be made until at least November. In the newsroom, Nicole Estefan, Eyewitness News.